Welcome to the Ha Giang Loop, a once-in-a-lifetime journey through the northern mountains of Vietnam. 4 days, 3 nights, winding passes, hidden valleys, and breathtaking landscapes at every turn. On 2 wheels or 4, it's about freedom, discovery, and connection. Guided by the passionate local experts at the Ha Giang Loop. The journey begins as you leave Ha Giang City, where adventure starts at the edge of the map. Scenery unfolds right away, with limestone peaks rising in a geopark carved by time. Take in the views along the way at cafes above the clouds. A short trek leads underground into one of the region's most remarkable hidden caves. The day's ride wraps up at the first homestay in a quiet mountain village. A swim in the homestay's pool, a warm home-cooked meal, and the first of many toasts with corn wine. The next morning, the ride flows higher into the peaks. Visit an ancient stone fortress, then cruise on a cliffside with views that stop anyone in their tracks. A ledge high above the canyon, where stone and sky merge into one. Far below, long boats glide along the Nyakwe River, with laughter echoing through the canyon. Later, your journey reaches the next homestay. Dinner grows loud, karaoke shakes the walls, and corn wine flows like water. On day 3, the road winds into the valleys. Bright woven fabrics and smiling faces line the roadside. Ride the endless winding curves of Sali Pass. Next, stop for lunch and coffee in an ancient town, surrounded by mountains. By afternoon, reach Zuza. Just beyond, a hidden waterfall sends cool mountain water into deep pools below. That night, the final dinner together becomes a celebration. Drinks rise, smiles fill the air, karaoke, and the words "Mot Hai Ba Zo" ring out louder than ever. Set out for the final leg of the ride. Each turn, a reminder of how far the journey has come. After lunch, the mountains return you to Ha Giang, shaped by the road, the people, and the journey itself. This isn't just a tour. It's 4 days of connection with nature, with culture, and with yourself. Motorbike or Jeep, your journey with the Ha Giang Loop will be unforgettable. Come ride with us.